Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today this video is going to be about the German M38 paratrooper helmet in the two-tone camouflage and used by Fallschirmjäger Regiment 6. And then later on in the video I'm going to be talking about the use of camouflaged German helmets in reenacting. So to get started on this one, this is a two-tone tan and green with wood chip texture that was used by Fallschirmjäger Regiment 6. So the shell is an at the front reproduction. This is one of our older runs, which is marked CKL71. It's the same kind of helmet we have right here, except this one's just a plain no decal helmet. And this type of camouflage was used mainly in Normandy. I think it was also seen as late as the Battle of the Bulge, but for the most part it was more common in Normandy than anywhere. So as we can see, this helmet has the slotted aluminum bolts, which was common for mid and late war production M38s. This helmet has been weathered a little bit, as we can see by the front. Got a little bit here on the top. I'll try to show you that. Came out pretty well. So let's set that there. As you can see by my hand, I just painted it today. This is for a guy who's going to be reenacting Fallschirmjäger Regiment 6 with us, and he wanted a camouflage helmet, so I did this for him. So now I'll show you some original photographs of these in use from the book Lines of Carentan. If you reenact this unit, I highly suggest getting this book. So if we look here, we can see they're using the two-tone camouflage helmets there. This guy here has a camouflage helmet, as well as he also has the sleeve pocket on his smock as well. And if we flip through the pages a little bit, there's some more pictures of it in here. Go back a little bit. I might have passed it. I think I did. And here we go. As we can see, all these guys have camouflage M38s. In which case, this picture is going to be brought up in another topic I'm going to be talking about here shortly after I get done talking about this. So, for those of you who don't know, I also restore and repaint German helmets. I offer camouflage schemes, I do factory repaints, I offer putting decals on helmets, all that kind of stuff. So I will leave a link below to the Facebook page. It's called Esslingen Stahlhelm Work, and from there you can see examples of my work, other helmets I've done, and it'll give you an idea of what I do. So you can either contact me through there if you want a helmet repainted, or you can leave a comment and I'll respond there. And as we can see, this is a really nice repaint. Has some nice age to it I did. Turned out very well. And typically a camouflage scheme is around $70 plus shipping back to you. So yeah, if you're interested in a camouflage scheme or repaint or whatever, be sure to just leave a comment below or contact me at my Facebook page, which I'm going to leave below in the description. So anyway, to talk about the use of camouflage helmets in reenacting. So quite often you'll see people, there'll be like one camouflage helmet, another guy will have a standard helmet with no paint, just plain. One guy might have chicken wire, one guy might have a helmet cover, you know, and everyone's helmet's different. Or sometimes it'll just be like one guy with a camouflage helmet. And as we can see here, everyone here is wearing a camouflage helmet. And this doesn't just go for Fallschirmjägers, but most of the other branches that wore camouflage helmets as well. That, like, you always see large numbers of the guys wearing them. It's not just like usually one guy. Because typically when these helmets were camouflaged, it was done at a unit level. As we can see here again, as far as you can see, everybody has a camouflage helmet. So if you're going to be wanting to use a camouflage helmet for World War II reenacting, I suggest you thoroughly research your unit that you're wanting to portray and see if they even used camouflage helmets. See if you can find photos of them in use so that you know what kind of scheme you want to do, how common was it, that sort of thing. And if your unit does have photos of them actually using camouflage helmets at events, what I would do, or I recommend, is have everyone wearing camouflage helmets. Not just one or two guys, it needs to be everyone. It's going to look better, it's going to be more authentic, and it's going to give your unit a more uniform look. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you guys have any questions, like I said, about this helmet, having helmet repainted, feel free to contact me. Let me know what you guys think about this helmet. I think it turned out really, really nicely. And here soon I should have some more helmet related videos coming up. So, alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.